What's good, YouTube? It's your boy V Brothers. Um, 30 minutes. I'm only staying on for 30 minutes this session. And in this 30 minutes, I got a goal trying to successfully hit 4 trades in a row, and I want to compound all 4 trades. Should net me around 600 bucks or so. That's what I'm trying to do right now. I got the first trade in there. What I've seen pretty much. Got this blue, but it's really supposed to be red. Hold on, let me set this timer. Gotta set this timer. Only doing 30 minutes. Bingo. We got 30-minute timer set. When this goes off, I'm done. I don't want to make the video too long. This first trade looking pretty juicy. Like, all right, now look at that, meaning 96 back. Take a $96 trade. Gonna be 184. Not bad about the bird. Look at that. That looks pretty. The 1 minute should be falling. Okay. For the 1 minute. All right, so this is let me back up so my hat's in the camera. Drop down low real quick. Ooh, that's a little too low, but whatever. So make sure y'all can hear me. Get my mic right. So boom, what I'm looking at, or what I seen, was, I probably missed that trade right there, but it's okay. So look, cause I was trading this a little bit yesterday. So you got this sideways market here. It broke out. In fact, I know I said I only got 30 minutes. I don't really need the EMAs right now. So boom, watch this. Oh shit. Shoot. All right, so look, I like sideways markets. Got boom, a high here, a low here. Pretty easy to see, right? Pretty easy to see. So if that's the case, this would be where we want to buy from, so we can make that blue. This would be where we want to sell from. We can make that 5 as well, make that red, right? The market's bouncing in between here. You always got a middle ground. You got 2 zones, you always have a middle ground. Boom, that's the middle ground. You see how price just reacts there? Hey, cool, no problem. Boy, them sales about to be juicy. All right, I'm just gonna make that, let's make it pink. Pink is the closest to purple. All right, so price was bouncing in between these 2 areas. It played a little bit. Sellers had control. Couldn't break the market though. Buyers broke it. Boom. On the retest at the top, it didn't make a higher high, made an equal high, which is kind of one of those telltale signs that the market might reverse. Equal high, and start just making its way back down. Back right here, you probably got some retest that tried to go back up and failed, which slammed it down to the midline. It got to the midline, slammed down again to the bottom. Couldn't break the midline. Couldn't break that midline area. Went ahead and broke down, or broke bearish. So now I'm looking at this area here, to be honest, to see. But PO be changing providers, so that's why that looks like that. Oh, you can't even see the area I'm talking about. Now I'm looking at this area here to see what price is going to do there, since we did break. Also, this looks like an M. Price is coming back to retest the M right now, so I'm really just trying to catch some sales inside of it. Let me get a trend line out. And I apologize if I'm talking fast or moving fast or anything like that, man, but it's YouTube. You can slow the video down if you need to. That is the line I want to see broken. And I know I'm supposed to be trading a lot of traditional too, man, but my traditional account is like tripping right now. I know it's a lot of stuff going on with DX trade, so I'm just waiting. All right, so this is my 15-minute zone. It's getting rejected. My 5-minute is currently bearish. The strongest candle is here. I'm just gonna mark that. See what I see in the lower time frame. I know this is structure on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, we looking, strongest candle is this guy. Get another trend line. Put it up under there. Go to my 15-second and see what we got. Are we getting a rejection off of it? We are. So I'm gonna take that trade down. Overall, I think the market is falling. We got this structure. I end up taking that. It got back to retest that. Gave me another break. I'm gonna take that from 1 minute down. I'm taking it from 1 minute because I'm looking at the 15-second chart. So if this same structure was happening on the 1 minute chart, which, you know, it kind of is, I need to see this stuff broken and retested. And I'll probably take that for like 3 minutes or so. But I'm trying to keep this video short and sweet. Short and sweet. But we'll see. This is a little area of like concern. As you can see, here it broke, came back. So this, I mean, I don't know. This is more on my side than anything. Got 6 seconds. That's a snipe. Now I don't want to see this high broken, but I'm looking at the shape thing. So the 15 minute is bearish, man. Like this is bearish all day long. This is bearish all day long, but I need to see that broken and retested on the lower time frame. On the 5 minute, it's being respected, which is not what we necessarily want to see. So my higher time frame and my lower time frames aren't agreeing at the moment. But it could swap. You know, we still got 3 minutes left in this 5 minute candle, so it could very well, you know, come up here, retest it again, and then just tank down, which is what we would want to see. I'm going to slow it down though. You see, I was losing some trades. We're gonna close that up. I had to make a withdrawal, bro. I started losing trades. Yeah. And I could be a little what I'm looking for. Like, I don't necessarily have to just reinvest everything here. Oh, and because this is like pretty aggressive, but I already made up in my mind is what I'm doing, so that's not what I'm necessarily looking for. So let's reanalyze and see what we're getting. So at the same time, right, this said this is our level line because they got the strongest push. This candle broke it. This candle kind of confirmed that, and this was the retest of that. So let me go to the 5 minute. We got a W here. I don't like this zone. I don't like this zone. So the market could potentially be switching. The market could be swapping because look, we got this area here that started this strong push. So because this made it that push, I can kind of assume that this might do the same thing. The market likes to repeat itself. At least that's how I like to look at it. So I'm thinking that this, you know, this being here could potentially do the same thing. I do see that it's up under there and it's kind of a retest, and I'll give all my retests up to 4 candles. So unless it starts getting up in here making structure, like I'm still looking for the sell. I do see this is a bullish move though. And the timing, like for this to be the 15-minute level line and price to kind of play, touch it and go, that's not the best signal to want to continue to take the sale, but we waiting. I'll wait it out. I'm gonna grab this. Actually, I want a box. Because now all of these wicks mean a little bit more to me. It already gave it a retest there too. Any other time price got here, look at how it immediately fell. So boom, touch this zone, drop down. Touched here, drop down. Touch it again, drop down. Now this, it didn't drop to this extent until over here, but like you can kind of see the shape that it was making. So this just boom, V shape. That's the strongest shape. When the market just turns around like that, that doesn't always happen. But this normally does. This is some, a shape that you can see. V shapes is kind of just like it's out of there, bro. You can't really catch those. But yeah, that's an entry. For 1 minute up. I just don't feel comfortable taking it yet. But yeah, look, touched, failed. So if you were watching this and then, moment it got there, you just want to take it again to this little area, that's a snipe. It got there again, then 3 candles, which is the pullback that I like. We would have lost that one, but I would have waited anyway. Boom, now you see that, you get this shape. Boom, that's why I took that trade down, and it was a snipe. Could have entered again right here, but I didn't want to. Got this W. All right, cool. But yeah, this. So what I was saying, what I was getting at, I don't know how I got sidetracked that fast, but like, boom, you got this area here. Anytime the price touched it, it automatically like fell, and it fell with like just a little bit of strength. This time, it didn't fall at all, and you got this candle breaking the momentum. Well, not breaking, but continuing the momentum of this move. Hit this area where sellers normally take control. Didn't even break the level line. Level line broke bullish, took off. Easy money. Got this little small 1 minute zone. In the 1 minute, I got an area here. I got to be careful because I can't use more than 15 drawings. This is my 1 minute zone. This is the biggest move. So let's say, what if I say from here to here? This will be my midline. That's possible. We'll see though. We'll see. Let me go back to the higher time frame. See what type of time I'm on. If I don't get the trades that I want, then it's okay. I got 18 minutes left. That's the strongest push. It's not my level line since this pushed a little further. This is my level line. This did give a pretty good push, and everything kind of got trapped inside of that. So I want to just mark that. I want to watch how price reacts to the top of this candle. And that's, ooh, okay. I like it. Now I kind of want to see what my EMA is doing. And that makes sense. At 105. Okay. Okay. All right. Well, what, is that 21? Okay, that's 21. Okay. We just gonna wait it out. I get it, I get it. If I don't, then it's cool. But yeah, man, I was at like 14. I took some, well, I was at like 16. Took some goofball trades. I took some money out. Then like I took out like 500, and that put me down to like 800. And then I started taking some trades that were way over leveraged, and I got up to like 12. And then yeah, I went back down to like 8, and then I got back at an even 1,000, and I said, all right, cool. With this 1,000, I'm gonna just compound these 4 trades, Like you see this here gets me another 169. 169 will put me at what, 13? And then if I take a 350, that'll put me at like 16. So I'll be right back where I was, which, you know, whatever. Right back where I was before the withdrawal, which I'm cool with. And then from there, we're just gonna take it slow. Take it slow, grind it out to 5K. Gotta get back to my rules. I'm not looking to see you go up. Like I said, this is a zone where I'm looking for the sell. Dominantly for the sell. I just know how I feel about you. And about you, and I'm still about you. You here. Don't go ghost on me. I'ma go through on you. I'm gonna let my hand. That's probably a good trade. I'm looking at this trend line. Channel. I just don't want that. You know, whatever. I got this box here though. That's crazy. Same box that's been getting retests and stuff. I watched your retest. I enter on that close from 1 minute since I'm on the 15-second. We got 1, 2, 3. So the close of this candle would have been the close of a trade. Right here. That's a snipe. That's a snipe. I marked the zone. Mark that bad boy perfect. Look, even this. Honestly, these are 2 trade opportunities. You don't know how fast I'm looking at the chart. So look, got the push down to this area that's already been respected. So it was been blah, 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 blah. All right, it was a resistance. Broke it. Turned into, well, it should turn into a support, right? No, sir. Momentum did not confirm that this is now a support. Got right back to it. Broke through it. You could take a trade here. You know, waiting for the push down. Price comes back up. Fails again. That's just confirming that it's still a resistance, or that it's back to a resistance. Take that trade down. Snipe. 2 trades right there. To my foe. I'm out for the day. But it's cool. That's what I want to see. I want to see right there. That's what I want to see right there. EMA rejections. Looking at this area here. Now, if it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't like that cycle. I'll see. If it gets back here and rejects, I might take it down. But this is bullish. I need to trade with the chart. I'm trading against the chart. My 15-minute is what? 15-minute is stagnant. And overall, we're up under the zone. So sellers are in control. All right, sellers are in control. The 5-minute looks like it wants to go bullish, but it's just a joke. Right? Sellers got control. It's the trade I was looking for. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that down. I'm late. I'm hella late. But sellers got control. Should have took it as soon as it got there. I should have took it as soon as it got there. That would have been a stupid snipe. But I'm aiming for down here. It almost got me. I almost forgot what I was doing. It got there stupid fast, bro. This is the entry I need. I'm way out of pocket. So it could potentially come back and get me. We'll never know. We got 23 seconds. So we got a candle and a half. I could get a crazy candle like these two. I'll come right back up here. But I want to see this broken. I want to see this line broken because sellers have control, and I think that we should continue to push. Big snipes, big snipes. Now, usually I don't do this, but I'm gonna go ahead and break them all. What's that? 350. I'm not trying to be rude, but hey, pretty girl, I'm feeling you the way. Oh, whoa, I'm singing R. Kelly. My bad. Yeah, I'm just doing 1 minute trades. I mean, this could be a good 15 or like 45-minute trade because now I'm on a 15-minute chart. I think 45 minutes will be a crazy snipe. A crazy snipe. A 5 minute, crazy snipe. A 1 minute, look, perfect off the EMA. Off the EMA in the zone. Perfecto. But I'm not gonna watch that. I can keep. Whoa, whoa, PO. You got a little too much dipper on your chipper there, Scooter Bob. Get this popping up. I want to see you continue to stay bearish. So we have, let me check my time. I got 9 minutes. Got 9 minutes left. 9 minutes left. One more trade. Can we do it? I'm gonna force it. If it don't give it to me, I'm not taking it. I don't trust the EMA rejection off of this zone because this zone made this push. So if I'm gonna take a trade down, it's gonna be up under this. I'm not taking it through it. I'd rather take it to it, and to it is just a little too close. This was my to it trade. This would be through it, and I don't like taking trades through zones. I take them to zones. And I hope my mic is picking up everything pretty good. It looks like my audio is good, so. But yeah, gotta make this as quick as possible. Everything is pushing down just like I like, what I want to see. This is the area of concern. And I think we got pretty good ways until we get there. 15-minute. This is, make this orange just a hot spot for a retest. The retest hotspot. If we get a retest back to there, taking it down. 14 EMA is pretty extended. Like I'm watching probably stall here, so we probably do want to get a retest. The retest, I'm looking somewhere in here. I'm looking somewhere in here, and I could take a 3-minute down, depending on how that retest works. I'm gonna just wait it out and see. This is my 15-minute level line right there. So I really don't want to see it broken, but if it is broken, I just want to see price slam back through. Or if I get like a push here that closes down here. I don't really like that either. I don't like the idea either. I need a retest in here. This is what I'm looking for a retest at. I'm making orange hot zone in here. I don't like that it made this W and retest that W to go up. I don't like that at all. So I'm gonna go to the 1 minute. I know that we are bearish. We are bearish, but this is the low. Let's see. Low, high, low, equal, high. We broke this, so the uptrend area is over for real. This was the low on the uptrend. We broke that, at least on the 1 minute. Look like we're getting rejections right there. Let me turn the Bollinger Bands on just to see. I don't like that. I see this trend line here though. That's just not, I don't trade trend lines like that. Not my trade. I need to see this. Okay, give it to me. 3-minute trade is how I'm gonna end it out. It closes down here. Come on, that's too beautiful. I'm gonna try it. That's it. It's either gonna be a snipe to end it out, or we just gave it all back. I didn't wait on a 1-minute close, but that 15-second close looked pretty good. Overall, the higher time frame is falling, so I'm taking it based off my higher time frame. New 5-minute candle. The 5-minute might want to play a little bit, but we'll see. It's either gonna be snipe or we did all that for nothing. But hey, that for another 1 minute, golden. But now if I'm looking at the 15-second chart, right? If I'm looking at the 15-second for structure, I'm gonna delete this so it don't take none of my boxes. Ooh. So I don't know if y'all heard me say to it or not through it. Trying to take it through it. I'm banking on the higher time frame, but it's looking a little iffy. If I'd have just took this 1 minute, we'd have been golden. This looks like it's about to fly up. That's against everything. That's crazy, boy. Wow. That's actually hella aggressive. To it, not through it. Damn.
Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no
Minute
way,
and 10
boy.
left. 15-second. It's
Boy, ain't
looking
no way,
stupid
boy.
aggressive.
Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy. Ain't no way, boy.
Whoop, YouTube. We lost that one. That thing did me crazy dirty. And it's wild too, because the original idea was just this quick snipe. It was there. That was there all day long. And then trying to take it through this zone, got whooped, got cooked. And it's 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Look at that, bro. It's an evil world we live in. Oh well. I'll be back tomorrow to do the same thing. It is what it is. That's a loss. Yep. Big donuts. Well, all right, y'all.